Hello, I'm Justin Moya with Pegasus Insurance Services. Today I want to talk about a couple of the carriers that have made processing your business a lot easier than what we've done before. They've really heeded the call and stepped up and made the changes and enhancements, or the business model has just suited the way that remote sales and the safer at home orders have come out. I want to focus on three carriers that have really changed or enhanced their underwriting today. Our first carrier is going to go up to $1 million in non-med coverage. Yes, non-medical. That means no exams, no fluids, and they're going to try their hardest not to order an APS. They also don't order an LRC. This is true non-medical. We're not talking about an accelerated underwriting program as many of the other companies have come out with. This is true non-medical. If the app matches the third-party data vendors that they have, then they're going to go ahead and issue this. So that means that you have to have the application match the MVR, the MIB, and the RX check. So make sure that the information you put down is as detailed and as clear as possible. They also give you the ability to do this completely e-application. That means no having to walk into the client's home or see them face to face. You can do it over the phone or even over a video conference and email the information over to them for signature and submission. But you have to have special information on that app for this to go through. There's special details that you have to make sure that are seen by the underwriter to get this non-medical process. So please give us a phone call as we can walk you through what those special details are and make sure that your application gets through quickly. It also just came out with e-delivery. So your client's going to be able to accept the policy from the comfort of their own home or even their couch, sign the delivery requirements, and even make that first payment. This really is going to be focusing on term products. So we're going to be talking about some other carriers with some different products later on, but this one's mainly going to be term. Again, this is 55 and down, so that is another distinction. And the best part is you can get up to standard plus non-tobacco using this carrier. So you're not looking at it just a traditional standard that non-med carriers will typically give you. Our second company is also going to go up to $1 million. The difference between this and the last is this is an enhanced accelerated underwriting. Now, they have enhanced it for the better. Again, they're really moving for no exam, fluids, or APS. And in fact, they've got the system down so well that about 80% of all applications submitted are coming out without the need for that exam, the fluids, or even that APS. So they've done a great job with this system. They do use a life risk classifier, which is LexisNexis, but they've really tweaked what that score can be to make sure that your client can get out of the underwriting queue as fast as possible. Most of the cases that I'm seeing are being computer approved. That means that we're seeing about a 24-hour turnaround time from the time you submit the application to the time we finally get that approval offer. Again, e-application. So you don't have to sit down with the client, and their signature process is probably one of the simple processes that I've seen in the business. They do offer term, GUL, whole life, and indexed universal life. So you have a wide variety that you can sit down and start offering your clients, whether it be permanent or short term. We can handle that. Since this is an enhancement on their underwriting program, you can actually offer up to Preferred Plus. So give us a phone call. We'll give you the details on how to get your clients Preferred Plus, what they would have to do to be able to qualify, and make sure that this carrier is a good fit for you. Our next carrier is actually going to go up to $1 million again. Again, they're promising no exam, fluids, and they're trying not to give you or order APSs as well. It's done completely on e-application. Their e-application does allow you to get the illustration signed at the same time. And that's because this carrier is really focusing on indexed universal life. They have great cap rates right now, very strong, and has had a good track record. So if you're looking for a strong IUL for high limits, definitely give us a phone call and we can help you see if this company could help your client today and start protecting the assets that they want to save for retirement or any future needs that they may need. With this program, you can go all the way up to preferred non-tobacco. So we're giving your clients, again, another reason to jump in today and not have to wait. Next, I want to talk about our traditional non-med carriers. These are carriers that have had these non-med policies in place for a while, but have yet to change any of their underwriting for the worse. So their systems are business as usual, and it's very quickly getting people in and out of the system, again, completely non-med. Our first carrier is actually going to go up to $500,000. Now we're talking about no exams or fluids. An APS could possibly be ordered. This is fully underwritten. Now the application must be submitted using a quick ticket. So this is going to come with a telephone interview, and you have to be set up on this special system before you can even submit a piece of business. Give us a phone call and we can get you set up very quick and easy and allow you to log in and start taking those applications today. There is a telephone interview required because it's a quick ticket. That means that you have to have the client take a call a little bit later, usually within about 24 hours, and answer some questions. And that's it. That is their entire exam. It's just a tele-exam. Best thing is this can actually go up to Preferred Plus. So $500,000 up to Preferred Plus, non-medical with just a telephone exam. What could get better? Our fifth carrier is going to go up to $400,000. Again, no exam or fluids guaranteed. They guarantee never to come out and ask for that. It's also on an e-application, and they're not looking for that life risk classifier score as well. They're looking really mainly at term and whole life for this product, and it's fast approval. In fact, we're seeing turnaround times in as little as 24 to 72 hours out the door, which means if your client is approved fast, it means you get paid fast. So this is a company that you really want to keep on your radar as well for these smaller amounts. With it being true non-medical, it does allow for some more enhanced underwriting than some of the other carriers out there that are looking at the standard or even the preferreds. So if your client may have a health issue or two, give us a phone call. This may be the perfect company for them. They can get a max of standard non-tobacco on it. Also, this company does have non-med underwriting for those older ages. So if you have somebody that may not fit the mold on the other carriers, give me a phone call. We'll see if this carrier can help you. Our last carrier is again going to be non-med up to $300,000. Again, they're promising up to this $300,000 mark, no exam, no fluids. It's all e-application, so you can get your signature done quickly with the client. The best part is they've enhanced their remote cells, so it could eliminate the need of you having to email the client back and forth to get that e-application signed. This is perfect for those clients that we're working with that may not be the most enthusiastic about technology. Maybe they don't understand how to get in and do that signature process all the time. Well, using this carrier with their face-to-face, non-face-to-face guidelines, it can really enhance that for you. They do not have a LRC, so it's going to make underwriting and the application and details you put down much easier. And you're really going to focus on their term and indexed universal life. Again, a very high and good performing indexed universal life, and their term has some great benefits built into it too. The great thing about this program is it's going to go up to a preferred underwriting rating. So if you think that you have somebody in this one, again, give us a phone call. Thank you so much for joining us. This is again Justin Moya. Please give me a phone call if you have any questions. My phone number is 505-298-2111. Stay safe and have a great day.